you gonna keep that thing from me?
Hello friends, welcome to this video. I hope you are doing well, and if you're not, I'm sorry. Hope whatever it is that is affecting you or whatever it is you're going through, I hope you get through it. I'm sending nothing but good energy your way. But today you've clicked on this video, which must mean that you want to see me clean. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. If I could be honest, I feel like cleaning videos are so satisfying to watch. Like, I don't know what it is. I personally just feel like they're really just satisfying. It's just, I don't know. Plus, it's also really motivating. Like, it gets me wanting to clean. And I like to clean personally. I feel like I'm kind of sort of a clean freak or like an organization freak. I like things to be a certain way. But not only that, I kind of find satisfaction in cleaning. Like, it's very therapeutic for me, low-key. So I filmed a clean with me, and I really hope you enjoy. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I do have to say though, towards the end of filming, I started getting my kitchen together and my camera died. So I went to take my camera off to charge it off my tripod, and this little like piece of the tripod was jammed into my camera. Long story short, I couldn't get into like my battery. I couldn't grab my battery out. I couldn't grab my memory card out. I was kind of like SOL at that point. So I tried to film with my phone. But that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this video. But before I begin, as always, if you guys want to follow me on any social media accounts, they'll be listed up here. They will also be in the description box as well. Let's get to cleaning, I guess. Okay, starting out with the living room, I didn't include our bedroom because when I filmed this, I had plans to move the room around. So I figured I'd just show that at another time. But real quick, I'm going to vacuum the couch cushions and the pillows. And as you just saw, I was planning on using this handheld cordless vacuum that we have. I don't know what happened though. It just made a mess, and I ended up using our regular Bissell vacuum. And I wasn't even aware of this, but apparently I could pull it apart and make it into a handheld vacuum, which is pretty cool. I actually really like this vacuum, to be honest. I was a little nervous. We only spent $30 on it, so I wasn't sure how it was going to hold up, but it was a pretty great buy. So I'm done with the vacuum for now. Moving on to the fun part, which is spraying and wiping everything down. I wiped down all my furniture pretty much, although I don't think I showed it all, but my bookshelf, my desk, my TV stand, all that. Then once that's all done, I'll go in with the vacuum. I like to go room by room, by the way. So first it's the living room, then I move to the hall, and then to the bathroom, and eventually the kitchen. We try to keep our desk really minimal. I don't really like to pile too much stuff on there, but since it is a bigger desk, I feel like it's easier for us to just pile stuff on there. So actually, if anyone can recommend where I can find a smaller desk and one that's affordable too, please let me know. I love this desk, but it's taking up a lot of space. One thing I love about cleaning is the playlist. I be jamming, so don't mind me. Now, to go over the floors with the vacuum, first of all, can I just say how easy it is? I can move my furniture. It's so satisfying. That's why I didn't want super big, heavy furniture, because I knew it would be hard to move and hard to clean around. So I went for stuff that was lightweight or stuff with wheels. But yes, I do vacuum my floors because my vacuum works well on hardwood flooring, and I prefer vacuuming over sweeping anyway. Also, please ignore the cords that you see hanging around. I hate when cords are visible, but this is what we're doing for now until we cover them. I feel like the bathroom is the one area in the house that determines how well you actually clean. I don't know if that's just me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor, and I went over with a mop later. But as for the tub, I normally just let it marinate a little bit in some Ajax, which is just a bleach cleaner. And while that sits, I'll just clean the rest of the bathroom. I'll scrub around the toilet. The shelving unit above the toilet doesn't really get dusty too much, but I still like to wipe that down anyways. And as far as the sink goes, I like my sink to be clean. I just hate to see like toothpaste marks and hair in there. So I like to make sure that's really scrubbed down. And then I'll go back in and scrub the tub, rinse all that down, and then move on to the next room. Now I'm just bringing my tables back, as well as my 2 snake plants, which, if anyone's wondering, I get my plants from either Home Depot or Menards. They both kind of have a pretty decent selection, and the plant pots are all from Menards as well, but I'm just placing these rags underneath them because I'm going to water them, and I don't want the water getting on the table because the tables aren't real wood and they'll definitely get messed up for sure. I know they have those little saucer things, but I don't have any of those yet. So for the time being, this is what I'm working with. So once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and mop through the house. I believe our mop is from the brand Infuse. I bought it at a Target. I actually really like it. It cleans really well, smells really good. This is the lemon scent pod that I'm using, but I was a bit iffy about spray mops. Lewis was actually the one who was pretty intrigued, so we thought we'd try it. And the headpiece is washable, so we can reuse it. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so far so good. We really like it. So since I didn't even get to show it all, I just figured I'd explain what I did. In the kitchen, I just cleaned like I normally do. I did the dishes, and I got rid of some boxes we had in the corner, and I moved this shelving unit that my sister had. She just gave it to us, and I figured I'd use it to store stuff on since our counter space is limited. But not only that, I just don't really like too much clutter on the counters anyways. My kitchen is clean. I got rid of those boxes that were there. My sister's actually gonna pick them up soon and then finish this off. Some of the things that I put on here were things that were on the counters. I just wanted to like clear the counters a little bit more. But yeah, the rest of my apartment is really dark. You'll see right now. It's very dark. But that's because it's like 7 o'clock now. And I'm finally finished cleaning So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, I'm sorry that I didn't get to show the rest of like me finishing up my kitchen, but I did manage to get some clips of like how my kitchen looked after. Let me know if you guys were into this video. Not everyone is into clean with me's, so again, let me know your feedback in the comments down below. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.